yes, this will be in 2 parts. The first part, we had to learn how to fly the helicopter. The second part, when we'll actually move around in the helicopter. And guys, it is a real helicopter. This vlog, guys, was amazing. This is one of the companies in Mesa, and they have their home at Falcon Field. Falcon Field has been a suggestion to highlight on this vlog for a while now, and so we did that. And aviation has been also a high interest, I like that. It has been a high interest topic in the suggestions that we've gotten. So guess what? We went to Falcon Field, found a company with amazing, cool helicopter training simulator thing, and flew it. It's not a simulator, it's a real helicopter, but simulator, in quotes. What's quickly becoming one of my favorite things is me and Rihanna in the car on location to go vlog, and us trying to explain to you, the viewer, what we're about to do, but we have absolutely no idea what we're talking about. It happens again. It happens again. Just watch it. Roll the vlog.
Yeah, the pilots like teach you how to do it, so you're in a helicopter but you don't leave the ground, but you move it, and there's a pilot talking to you, teaching you. Is that correct?
Yep.
Did I got my facts straight?
That seems about right.
Are we going to Falcon Field?
Yeah.
Should probably look where we're going.
Can you go?
I do. This is going a lot smoother than the garbage truck ride along. You know, like filming it and
You mean because
finding out where we're going.
Because I'm in charge? Is that what you mean?
Yeah. So. I jinxed us! That's what you get for saying, you know what, this is what happens when I'm in charge. When Brittany's in charge, the camera goes flying.
We're not gonna bicker today. Bickering is not on the schedule.
Do we bicker?
We kind of bicker, but it's cute bickering. It's bantering.
Oh, so cute.
What? Oh, jeez, Rihanna.
I snapped. Oh my gosh.
We have to talk about your gasping.
Oh no!
What?
My badge. We're gonna have to go back to my house after this.
You scared the crap out of me.
Feel how sharp that is right there. My finger got smashed against that.
Oh.
Yeah, that's gas.
All right, that one was.
Graves. It's not raining.
We're here. Oh, no worries. How's it going?
Not bad. Are you ready to go flying?
Yes, we're very excited. This is Rihanna.
Rihanna, hi, Mike Killian.
Nice to meet
Hi.
So this is what we're going to have to do. It's called the Sakari SGH4 Trainer. And it's not battery powered. It's not a simulator. It's an actual helicopter, but it cannot fly away because the base is too heavy. So when you get inside and you lift and start to turn, it's the actual full-on helicopter with the Rotex 912 engine. And I'm going to get you eyeglasses in from inside so you don't get dust in your eyes.
What do you think?
it probably feels exactly like if you're lifting up, like in a normal helicopter, but then you just get stopped.
I'm going to give you over to John Spencer.
John.
Hi,
My first pilot from Alaska.
Yeah.
Of course I do.
Yeah. How are you?
Hi, how's it going? It's going good. This is Rihanna.
Hi, Rihanna.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Yeah. I've been working as a film pilot, so I filmed the reality shows.
No way.
So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna take you out and walk you around it and do a bunch of safety stuff and
Okay.
get you a little bit familiar. And it'll probably take us 10-15 minutes. Or
Okay.
so. This little thing right here changes the pitch of the blades with your feet. Rotating fans, hot exhaust coming down there. Blades are a little bit shorter than a real one. When it's up on these extended bases, hanging and pivoting, it can only go a certain number of degrees before it hits these stops in there. For our purposes today, this is just going to be your up and down. And that's really all we're going to do is the up and down and the feet.
Okay. Guess I'm gonna go first. Do you want to go first?
You go first. I don't know why, I just assumed. Usually you go first with stuff.
Well, I like when you go first because then I look smarter when I go.
Hence why I'm going second.
Well
I
said.
learned.
I've been told I can't fly away in this. However, I feel like if anyone could, it would be me. We keep saying that.
He doesn't know.
Why is this being weird?
Struggle.
All right, you don't have to, don't record this. I'm saying GoPro's up. This is getting real.
Yeah, go up. There you go, that's perfect.
And then don't step where it says don't step.
Oh,
Nice, Brittany.
Okay.
So your pedals are back as far as they can go, so put your feet on those and see how the position feels.
Okay.
Feel okay?
It's really windy.
Holy crap! So hard.
Yeah, I did it. How was it?
Oh my gosh! What do you think?
Is it hard? You did really good.
It was hard. You get the feel of the pedals.
It's really touchy.
You got hover on. Just, you know, you've never been in a machine and your face, I could see you were concentrating, right?
Yeah.
You were paying attention to what you were really locked on to what you in the very beginning, you were kind of leaning back a little bit. It's because the stick was back flat, and we were looking at the skids and they were absolute horizontal. And as you were turning, it's just that skill that they practice for hours and hours doing that same thing. But in 15 minutes, that's what you did?
Wow. Yeah.
It could have been, can't get much better than that.
Rihanna. He's gonna explain everything to you. This is how you go up and down. My mistake, I was keeping that back. Try to keep that level. You know, give her pointers. I'm not cheap. It's hot out here. This is October in Arizona. It's like 95 degrees. This is insane. Guys, it was so much fun. You're using both your hands, both your feet. You need to be able to maneuver all your limbs, which I'm definitely not able to do.
So Brittany said this is hard and I'm excited, but I don't know how this is gonna go.
She's nervous. She told me not to say that she's nervous, but she's always nervous. I was nervous too. I just don't like to say I'm nervous. I like to pretend like I'm not. That's Rihanna, guys.
She was hovering in under 5 minutes.
That's awesome.
She's awesome.
She was up, and she may not even realize that she was absolutely flat hovering at about 3 feet, and she was holding it.
Rihanna. Whoa, don't break it. High five.
Holy crap.
You had it absolutely still, and you were flat. And that's in 5 minutes. You would never do that in a regular helicopter. If you were with a certified flight instructor sitting next to you, as soon as you start to make a boo-boo, any type of boo-boo, that instructor might grab the stick and make a correction so everything's well. What we thought we might do at some point with you, if you're interested, is we'll have you come back.
Okay.
And when you come back, we'll pull the pins, and now you start cruising up and down the street.
Yeah.
Because we got to get you going backwards, do some pirouetting. Sakari is an Argentine company in Saladillo, Argentina. They've been building helicopters for probably 50 years. We've decided at VEA, General Aviation, to bring this machine to the U.S., and we're working with flight schools, organizations that want to train pilots, say a police force. Falcon Field is very friendly to helicopters. They're very supportive, and we have found when we look at for certain parts, we find suppliers right here in town. And the city of Mesa has been great. The Chamber of Commerce has been introducing us to friends, and the field itself has been helping us with maintenance groups, with individuals who come over and want to know about the aircraft. So it's just a really friendly place for us. We're really glad that we're here.
Back up and come over to... Yeah, it's cool. What did you think?
That was amazing. Like, I can't even.
Guys.
To be in control of a helicopter and just lifting it up and being in that much control is crazy.
So this one behind me goes up to 12,000 feet. And that's the same exact model kind of helicopter that we were flying there. So all the gears and everything that we will be doing.
That's a real helicopter.
It's a real helicopter.
Like,
so this
if they
one
took it off the pins, you would fly up. I mean,
Anyway.
they trusted us
I know.
for our first time.
We had no experience. I mean, I could barely drive a stick.
I can drive it. Just
I said barely. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Part 2 is gonna come. What's the next vlog? EVIT? The next vlog's
no,
EVIT.
Adventure Challenge.
No, this is coming after Adventure Challenge. Oh, is it? Next vlog is Adventure
She
Challenge.
doesn't know what she's talking about.
I might need to be in studio for this. Our next vlog is the Mesa Adventure Challenge, not EVIT. And then after that, after the Mesa Adventure Challenge, we covered the Mesa Music Festival with POD. And we may or may not have gone backstage and met POD. We did. And then after that, Clyde's here. And then after that is EVIT. And then after that, guys, is the Mesa Police Aviation Unit, because that's just a suggestion. The vlog's going great. Our suggestions are growing. Suggest below what you want to see. We are directly responding. Great collaboration from you guys. We hope you're seeing all that you want of Mesa. And yeah, that's the end of part 1. And by the way, I stopped counting. It's like 20 something. When we get to 50, I'll like, hey, 50th vlog. But you know, we're in the 20s, so.